A madadin sarkin daula, shugaban kasa Buhari ya yanka, an umarci jama'a mai akwadani ya je yanka. A madadin sarkin daula, shugaban kasa.
Insecurity is still a major issue, and corruption, as you say, is still fighting back. What can you assure the people of Nigeria?
Well, I will remain steadfast. I mentioned how when I came in uniform much younger, I arrested people and put them in detention and said they are guilty until they can prove themselves innocent. And we put an investigative panel almost based on the geopolitics of the country. And the governors, the ministers then who were found not accountable, they were made to return to the government. But in the end, I too was arrested and detained. But this time around, we made sure that we introduced treasury single account, whichever money is driven is put there, and then it's going out will be watched by the Attorney General and the Accountant General of the Federation. So we are doing our best within the system, and we are remaining steadfast. Thank you very much. Well, ina musu fatan alheri.